Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do it right away and hit that red subscribe button below there. And if you like this video, do hit the like button. So today I'm doing a very simple macrame. I'm using the same design for both of my DIYs. Do watch the video till the end and let me know which one you like the most. So let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm using these three cute colors of yarn and the ring. I got the ring from an old keychain. Secure the ring with the help of a tape. Cut two strings of yarn of about 15 centimeters long. The length depends upon how long you want the feather to be. I took two of them because I wanted my base to be a little strong. Fold them into half and put it across the ring and secure it with a tape. Now we will need some short yarns of about 10 centimeters long. We need at least 14-15 of them. Mix the colors accordingly. Now take one string, fold it and make a loop like this. Place it under the base yarn. Take another one, make a loop, place it above the base yarn. Hold the ends of the other yarn, throw the loop on both of the sides and pull it together. A knot will be formed. Repeat the same process till the end. Place the other two colors in between to enhance the design. Now take off the tape and give it a nice feather looking shape with the help of a scissor. For the finishing or to give it a rigid look, take a ball, pour some Fevicol or you can use any kind of glue. Pour a little bit of water, mix them well. With the help of a brush, apply the mixture on top of the feather and give it a nice shape. I already put a plastic cover over my table. Don't forget to do so, otherwise it will stuck on your table. After leaving overnight, our cute little feather keyring is ready. For the second DIY, I'm using this made art thread. These are very commonly available. Repeat the same process as earlier, but this time I'm taking two threads each side just because I want my feather to be little thick. After attaching till the end, I am going to open up the threads like this. After opening every little piece of the thread, it will look something like this. Again, give it a nice shape. The cutting is really important in this DIY. The look of the feather depends upon how well you can cut it out. After everything, I'm attaching some wooden beads. Take a long thread, put it across the feathers and hang it around. It will give you a nice boho look around your house. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.